Hello everyone, we're going to do homework number 10, number 9. A test was made of a null hypothesis, U1 equals U2, versus the null hypothesis, H1, is U1 less than U2. The sample means were x1, 7, x2, 11. The sample standard deviations were S1, 6, S2, 4, and the sample sizes were N1, 10, and N2, 18. Compute the value of the test statistic. And with that, let's begin. So as number 9 states, we're going to be finding the test statistic, or as I like to state it, find t. And to find t, we're going to be using this formula. T is equal to x1 minus x2 divided by the square root of the sample variance divided by n1 plus the sample variance 2 divided by n2. Now, as I just said, we have all the values right here. And with our little cheat sheet right here, we can tell that we are using a sample variance in the equation, and we're dealing with a sample standard deviation. So that means we have to plug in a squared so that we can match the equation. So with that, let's begin. So our equation will look like this. T equals 7 minus 11 divided by the square root of 6 squared divided by 10 plus 4 squared divided by 11. Now again, we square it because we're dealing with sample standard deviation and not a sample variance. So we have to make the sample standard deviation a variance by squaring it. And with that, we're going to simplify down, and we get t equals negative 4 divided by the square root of 4.48888888889. And then if we simplify the square root, we get t is equal to negative 4 divided by 2.118699811. And with that, we simplify it. Now when we simplify negative 4 divided by 2.118699811, we should get t is equal to negative 1.8879, with the numbers behind it represented by dots. And with that, we're going to go over to the homework, and we can see that we're going to be rounding to 3 decimal places. So we're going to do the exact same thing with our answer, and we should get t is equal to negative 1.888. And with that, our answer is delta. And here is all the work. Have a good night.